boy na mana kamai to na si me skip to foga na niam na mana hai me am to akoi thaso na ai na ai tu mo ni CSO me am intellectual me am hai to la la ni ai se mana karam ring de hai re no ai se koi question to sake ma administrative report se pa da adu mana pa da agri why not challenge to the right angle public ta vocal na ozana ngang da ta pa to na mana itang ngang ga miam ya na ra ai si ma so ai ma am de fit to bi mo na ngara hai bi da akoi ge ngasai ge na hai bi da ngasai ge RTI mari matungina mana haibada muzabi mona haibida sagi ke nosil laike mana aise ke nosil laike NRC je mana laike na ai adugo kenore musagi state public information officer home department government of Manipur dei ko chiti je government of India da ai na te RTI se ko Sarat Chandra na Hansal Chandra na torniba si public information officer home department government of Manipur mana ni je name of the authority which prepared the National Register of Citizens 1951 referred to section 2B of the Protection of Manipur People Bill 2015 na jima hangi ko mana sidaida aduga ani su da mana hangi je National Register of Citizens 1951 je whether it is available with the home department or any other department of the government of Manipur na hai sigi sing se kai mun lai tari mo ko pi ma BBO na hai ko sida makoi na kumai je kai na kumake ga na I am directed to endorse or here with a copy of RTI application na do na hai ga mana je that the department does not maintain the record of census. Like I was making my record census record, appointed maintain of data. Other than Sagi, others who committed Kanano, Deputy Director, Census Operation, Manipur Nasina, Sigisina, and the Home Department, the company, others who Manipur Home Department, Center Gimana, Center and Completis. Chima clear talks again. Aduga, the Home Department does not maintain the record of census, and the same is maintained by Sagi, Director of Census Operation in a company. Chimale. Ani sudamu sida government of India Ministry of Home Affairs na mana second question ji sida ko me je Porompan Infal iski directorate of census na center ki logo ta am da nati si ko Manipur ki wala kujar pani request for obtaining information alu na palle sida mana ai je this office is not aware about the authority which prepared the National Register of Citizens 1951 sida ai je census directorate of census operation Manipur la ba Porompan office na pala kuda kai na pala ke ganda sige office da census ki National Register of Citizens है तना prepare to के वैसे कोई अवेयर होती है तना census की document ले लेके है वही पोछवा योगे चलिए देखो सीमा का क्लियर हो सके हम सुधा आइना पैसे के पीछे से census of India 1951 की असम मणिपुर त्रिपुरा की administrative report है मशीन उसी particularly मी आया मतलब pioneer बनी को सी की administrative report से था census के NRC का पुण्य तो भी नहीं आया भी जगह था मैं मम्मी जी चलिए देखो ये में जगह से था Sida pesa kai thoki bagi sida ori pesa kai thoki bagi kopi akoi adum pisa ge diam di yen jage esukai de pesa kai thoki bagi yawi census ka NRC ka punna to minagni atopa process am to to yawi yawi census ka NRC ki marakta questionnaire ke tathakani na tathalo yawi sigi pochi mayam si ozabi mona natraga intellectual jimna khangna tari to bagi moina code of law da administrative report yauna census की नतगा NRC की document से NRC अपने तौही है तौकी है भी document से मोने लई देना है जे करी ground दा करी मत ground हानि नो सिगी document से दा as a lawmaker होइना parliament तो फंबा lawmaker होइना मा सिगी administrative report से पुथोगा parliament मा ना challenge तो तका how come सुम document मा लेना करी मरंगी मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट दा मणिपुर वांग दा मा RTI तो दिगो मयाम सी मति clear होइना से मणिपुर दा NRC tata pi dise kai maram gi noise parliament na challenge to thok ta natraga through any committee ma hangum thok ta rai sima ga tham ta machine ta pudi kai maganda oza bu mona niam bu lam lamjingi akoi na ngasi ba da NRC ate to gi document NRC gi pisa kai thoki bagi NRC gi form to ma men bagi questionnaire gi document pai daga niam da NRC ate to gi am se akoi magta original ta tamak le ta su akoi na court ta chalaga challenge to ma tam da through court no ma di soidra puthro ga ni ai bagi asada ne ko le le se maram kai no Sigi government of India की document दा gazette सिंदा administrative report सिंदा याम clearly पैसा ताइथो की बा form men की बा अमसुम census तो मतम दा NRC का पुण्य तो लगी है कि record से वही लगे बा मुझा भी बोलने ऐसे लोग में करो ना MP नो वो ना माना कमाई तो रसी में हम skip तो होगा ना नियम दा माना हाई में हम तो अकोई थासो हो ना आई ना आई चुंगा बनी CSO में हम intellectual में हम हाई तो लाल में हम से माना करम बेंगल दे हाई नहीं नो से कोई क्वेश्चन तो सके my administrative report से पाता रहा अदो हमारे पावता लगी why not challenge to the right angle public ta vocal होइना ओजाना गांग ला ता पतोना माने इतना गांग मियां ने जाना रहा है सीमा सोई mayam fit talk similar under the government of India in 1935 Madapan was a fellow evening fellow women say you know princely state Hamsina in Dopanga state Hamsina Moina protest over the World War II Matung the Muka Yakanda British policy semi determined to determine the future political agreement between the British British provinces and the princely state in Dopanga Hamsika Moida Sagi Yasana Yarava Ama World War II Matung semi high business key development the cabinet mission plan May 12, 1946 Amalay Adisuda British government statement for February 20, 1946 Amalay Adu Matunda Memorandum of State Treaty Paramount C MSTP Abamuslay Adu Matunda Muka statement by Prime Minister Kelman for Atlee June 3, 1947 Aduga Lord Mountbatten Gi Magi India the Mai in a statement of Sulay Aduga Adu Matunda Indian Independence Act 1947 for Royal Election July 1947 See development in the British Rules Act August 15, 1947 last one Kanda Sileda. She is the British Paramount season and Pulea. Sina Haiti Kanda 1935 G Ekama Osabi Mon the police. Masiki XC 1947 Exina. I think July 1947 the people of Matamda 1935 G Masai Federation of India XC Supersito and Si Poche. Ado Osabi Mon Matung in a team Supersito the Bagimong da Hoise Masai Ning the Moina Layum Dava. Like the Bagimong down 6 of them intellectual by America, Mazari images, Mazari images very quiet. Why they know is generally never. So I said a conflict of Mayawi Matanzima, Kitan Noise, the Italy. Section 7.1 Indian Independence Act 1947 in Uganda. The laws of British Paramount on August 15, 1947 restored with full sovereignty to Manipur and other princely states. I believe 1935 the Moina Indian princely state Manga, Shem Giba, Masai, Federation of India, etc. 1947 British Can say Moina, a quite home at Kimatamsa, a quite in the Kunawina, I don't lay even have it. I don't put the lady later, Mazermangi, Maratexi, Shulai, I die, or Sile, then Manipursi away Matumina, fully sovereign and independent state. Wait, August 15, 1947, Matumda, Mazerson, 1949, Nogi Karatsa, was a fully independent state. 1947 Manipur Constitution, Akamalay, Adu Matunda, 1948, election to 53 me, both guy, she puts him out of October and Toreva. I would say, Pandre Haitare. So I got Tanzima was all that way, Yaman Waitawa, Sumba, Koina, and Otori. Hariba puts in the Indiani dominant the school, Indiani Supreme Court, Toamba, Kestada, Hariba Marak Haitare goes in 1935, in 1947 in Maratida, Indiani Supreme Court, Kesto Namatomda, Toamba, Kesta, Virendra Singh and State of Uttar Pradesh, 1954, AIR 447, Adu Matunda, State of Sorasastra and Memonazi Ismail, 1959, AIR 1383, Adu Matunda, Sawarlal State of Hyderabad 1960 Sumba Tonga Supreme Court na Tomba order Mamam Leva High Water Singsi Ozamin on the study of the Wapra Nataga when the study of the Walira is a see young folk na way of Haitare. Although young no Itomana Wang Amatamda whenever engineer boy Mamlin Bebato say Tawotabu Manipur Leva College Ozama Mama University Ozama Mama historian Mayamama say Loyally ignored of Toga Manga Nani Loyama Sume Hiving Monda Loyama declassified of Tokiba Sumba historical documents in the Panmatagasu bias or the Monda Toku Akoy Mazade Manipuriam the Pende Aishima Aishima Tamzage. Since 1948 she has clearly mentioned no person have the right to inspect any book register of record made by a census officer in the discharge of his duty as such or any schedule delivered under section 10 notwithstanding anything to contrary in the Indian Evidence Act 1972, no entry of such book register record or schedule shall be admissible as evidence in any civil proceeding, whatever or in any criminal proceeding, other than the prosecution under this act or any other law for any act or omission which constitutes the offence under this act. However, Hariba Census-ki nataga NRC documents relevant timing amada matam sabam homamada Assam-gisu NRC tong the Mamanda, 51 deserve based on the Masiam Puyum Ona, true porta, the Torokana, Kona Company. So I say, was Amimona, I am the Vidakani Marangi, Biam the Sumba, look at the Swap in the Torava, Propaganda, a Swap in the Torava, Lebak, Yam and Lise, Manakani Marangi, Yam clearly like document based on high Vida, announcing the church of Dona, I don't say Marangi wants to Losha Manipur settled type orders 1950 settled type orders, Anira Homeland and Intoy. High Rome tribe Kara, 1951 Matunda, entry to the tribe Kara. Upon a tribe of Taiwan again, 1951 the NRCC, 2007 the NRC, update on them, Matay to Girls Hogan as a week. Bangladesh lakiba Bangladesh lakiba medicine tara tu masih sope ya sabida adumo lebak sigi hapta ita lebak sigi original independence singi thona amadi akoi tungni obe mirol sok tanaba yengama tamda NRCC 1951 da togi duga hojik tok da link tok jana bane si link tok wa tamda ozabi mol ki wai da NPR 2010 si mare am toina pale NPR 2010 sina relevant population data ne abai tak pale NPR 2010 ga census ka NRC ga rimta da mari lende NPR ha bisi hojik su ai exam ko ka de birth rate start ko su adu su population rate start nu changi ma di nu ti update to mu ni adu ga census size na sai tra tra ki to an thi mani NRC ai sina Indian citizen identify to mu so ai da akan di 1951 ni matungda changakpa manipur da leba India constitution matungina lakiba tribe me ang list da 36 tribe yaw is sigi tribe sing manungda 51 di matungda update to tribe sing do 1951 di mamangda Indian citizen mo ina lairabra natragal laitibra atin ande da lakiba buki sing do oibra ano ko changakpa oibra amse akoi niyam na hangum thok da bra mai dai su yaw mo pangan su yaw mo madugi do relevant oiba document dugi matungina legacy da ta chat se ani sida kari akai le giwa si to matamda si to ja matamda kari manungi ro ma section of politician karana NPR census and NRCC niam the confused laga lay tabo potubu lay haina haiba lay tal ari baduna lay te no sanba aduga tribe kharagi scheduled tribe list the thing that tribe kharage 1951 ki mamanga lay umtadi yes well and good as per document legacy data accept of them lay umtadi foreigner de declare to tawda si tawda kari no section of politician karana yaning da police kari ma ja ola bi moda luktra malina wang chapchana si hanjari ya ja